India has a rich tradition of education that goes back thousands of years. From the sacred teachings of the Vedas to the comprehensive studies in Gurukuls, education in ancient India was revered as a path to enlightenment and wisdom. Among the most illustrious of these centers was Nalanda University. Established in the 5th century AD, this magnificent institution was the world's first residential university, housing close to 10,000 students and teachers at its peak, and a library containing close to 9 million books. Chinese pilgrim and traveler Xuanzang also talks about the grandeur of Nalanda in his writings. For over 800 years, Nalanda flourished as a hub of intellectual exchange and innovation, embodying the spirit of open inquiry and academic excellence. However, the university faced its decline and eventual destruction in the 12th century. The idea to revive Nalanda University was first conceived at the 2007 East Asia Summit and continued in 2009 East Asia Summit with an active partnership of Asian countries. Since 2014, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the revival of Nalanda University has been brought to the forefront of India's cultural and educational renaissance.
अभी जब G20 में विश्व के मेहमान आए तो मैंने नालंदा की एक तस्वीर रखी थी वहां, और जब मैं दुनिया को कहता था 1500 साल पहले मेरे देश में दुनिया की उत्तम से उत्तम यूनिवर्सिटी हुआ करती थी, सुनते ही रह जाते थे। लेकिन हमें उसे प्रेरणा लेनी है, पर प्राप्त तो अभी करके रहना है।
Recognizing its historical significance and potential to contribute to global knowledge, Honorable Prime Minister has championed the restoration and revitalization of this ancient institution. The Net Zero Green campus of the university boasts of world-class infrastructure and has 6 schools and also has 4 centers of studies. The university offers various scholarships to international students. Today, Nalanda University attracts scholars from all over the world, offering programs that integrate traditional wisdom with contemporary challenges. It serves as a bridge between the past and the future, promoting peace, understanding, and sustainable development. The revival of Nalanda University is also bringing international students to India, embodying the ancient Indian ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family, truly making India a Vishwa Bandhu, a friend to the world. Nalanda University stands as a symbol of India's enduring legacy of knowledge and innovation. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, its revival is not only a national achievement but a gift to the world, reaffirming the timeless value of education and the quest for truth. Join us in celebrating this renaissance of learning as Nalanda University continues to illuminate minds.